How to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Now tap on your profile icon. Now go to settings. Now tap on username. So here you can see a dialog box pops up saying you change your username on 5 March 2024. So remember this date and go back to your home screen. Now open your settings. Now tap on search. Now type date. Now tap on date and time. Now disable set time automatically. Now select date. Now increase the year by 1. Now go back to your home screen and start your device. Now go back to your Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile. Now go to settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on I need help. Now scroll down a bit again. Now tap on contact us. Now select any option. Now fill up the details and let them know that you want to change your username without waiting 1 year. So by following this simple step, you can change your Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.